Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a majestic peacock named Percy. Percy was known far and wide for his vibrant, iridescent feathers that shimmered under the sunlight. He lived happily, strutting around the forest, flaunting his feathers with pride. Percy had a group of friends who admired his beauty, also loved him for his kind heart. There was Lily the rabbit, Benny the squirrel, and Dolly the deer. They spent their days playing games and exploring the wonders of the forest together.
One sunny morning, Percy woke up to find his feathers missing. Panic-stricken, he searched high and low, but they were nowhere to be found. His friends gathered around him, offering their support and help. Determined to find Percy's feathers, Lily, Benny, and Dolly set out on a quest. They asked every creature in the forest if they had seen the feathers, but no one had. Just when they were about to give up, they stumbled upon a mischievous crow named Charlie. Charlie had admired Percy's feathers from afar and had secretly taken them, thinking they would make him look as majestic as Percy. But when he tried to put them on, they didn't fit right, and he felt ashamed. Feeling remorseful, Charlie confessed and returned the feathers to Percy. Percy forgave him, understanding that sometimes even the best of friends make mistakes. Grateful for their friendship and teamwork, Percy, Lily, Benny, Dolly, and Charlie celebrated by dancing under the moonlight.